Hello friends. So today I'm going to tell you what is basically White Hat Junior and how I cleared my telephonic interview round. I'm going to share my experience. So first of all, what is White Hat Junior? It's an online teaching platform where you will be teaching students online, and this teaching will be one to one, that is there will be one student and you will be teaching that student, and you will be teaching them coding, and the students age group will be between 6 years to 14 years of age. So let's start. Then you will have one question, that why should we join White Hat Junior? The answer is very simple. This is the highest paying job for online teaching. Its salary range is up to 30k to 50k per month, and depending upon your performance you can even earn up to 1 lakh rupees per month. One more benefit is that you will have to work only 30 hours per week, which is very less as compared to the corporate, where you have to work minimum of 9 hours daily. So even if you work from Monday to Friday 9 hours, then it will be 45 hours per week. So here you will have to work for 4 to 5 hours daily, and the most important part is that the schedule is according to you, means you will decide your working hours. So yes, it's a very good opportunity for women, for both working and who are housewife. And friends, the only thing you require is your own laptop with broadband connection, and that laptop should have its camera. If its quality is blur, then you can go with a webcam, and your broadband connection should have a good speed. So friends, for applying to the White Hat Junior, you will have to first of all register on their portal. In that they will ask you few questions like what is your name, what is your email address, your mobile number, and whether you are male or female, and do you have any coding experience. If you don't have any coding experience, then also it's okay, they give chance to both, because after this selection process they will give you first training. So it's okay if you don't have any coding experience, simply say no and then apply. Then you will get an email for verification. After that, within 48 hours you will get a call from their team, and this is the first interview round, telephonic interview round, which you will have to clear, and I am going to share you my experience how I cleared this round. So friends, in this first telephonic interview round, he will first of all ask you to brief about yourself. Then in that you will have to explain your educational qualification, whatever you have done, whether it is BTech, MTech, MCA, BCA, MBA, whatever it is, you will just have to mention that I have done this. If you want to mention your college name and your percentage, you can mention that also. Also, if you have any working experience, then you can mention that also. Okay, if you are from non-teaching background, then they will definitely ask you one question, that why you want to join White Hat Junior. Then just convince them that your interest is teaching and so on, just convince them. Then he will be telling about White Hat Junior, means how it is, this much salary they will provide, is it okay for you to working this hours a day, or you have to complete 30 hours per week, and so on. They will ask you simply questions whether you are comfortable with this or not. Just remember one thing, that the whole interview will be taken in English only. If you speak any Hindi words or any other words, then it will put a bad impression on them, because they want a fluent English speakers only. They also give one strict warning that even in teaching demos or teaching video, you will have to speak in English only, no Hindi words and nothing. Not even acha, okay, ha. You will have to speak in only English. The reason behind this is that you will have to teach students from other countries also, that is not only from India, they will be from US or Canada. So you will have to speak in English only. And one more thing guys, you will have to teach according to the schedule provided by them. They have curriculum which they will provide to us, and we will have to teach that much only. My interview was almost 15 to 20 minutes long, because I also asked him a few questions or doubt which I have. So if you have any doubts or questions regarding anything, just ask them freely. That clears all the doubts. One more thing is that you have to teach small children, means kids whose age is almost 6 to 14 or 18 years. So that's all about my telephonic interview round. If you have any questions or doubts, then you can ask me in the comments. I will definitely try to solve your queries, and I will highly recommend you that please apply for this job. And friends, this is not any paid promotion, but still I would like to recommend you all that please go and apply for this job, because it's a good opportunity for both working women and also for those who are housewives. So it is giving a good amount of money for just working 4 to 5 hours, and that working hours are also according to your choice, means you will be selecting your timings and work accordingly. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel.